How to apply for a rent assistance on the MyGov Mobile. Welcome! In this session, I'll guide you through how to apply for rent assistance using the MyGov Mobile App, which is linked to your Centrelink account. Rent assistance is a regular extra payment from Centrelink to help cover the cost of your rent. You may be eligible if you already receive a Centrelink payment and pay rent. You can easily apply using the MyGov Mobile App. Before you start, make sure you have the following: a MyGov account that's linked to Centrelink, access to MyGov app on your phone, a copy of your rental agreement or a housing document, and a working internet connection. Open the MyGov app and log in using your credentials. From the home screen, tap on the Centrelink tile to enter your Centrelink account. Once you're inside the Centrelink service, tap on Payments and Claims for the menu. Then select Update Circumstances or go directly to Rent Details. Now, enter the details about your rent, how much you pay, how often you pay for it, and who your landlord is. If prompted, upload a clear image or file of your rental agreement. Review carefully. If all the information is correct, tap Submit. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation message on your screen. Centrelink will now review your application. They might contact you if they need more information. If approved, rent assistance will automatically be added to your Centrelink payment. If you need assistance at any point, visit serviceaustralia.gov.au or call Centrelink on 132300 or visit a local Services Australia office for in-person support.